I gotta attempt Yaron. At the moment, this all I got. 39 attempts. This is what armor and stuff I've got. Pretty shacked. Along with the Murasama. Ooh, look, an Og. I cannot believe I just did that. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm also playing on Revengeance mode. Youchers. I should definitely work on getting me some better heals. Just kill a few bosses, get their platinum and stuff. That would definitely help a lot. I could also reforge some stuff to menacing too. I do like having the critical strike chance though. Like, this shit being as high as it is insanity. Okay, here's the bullet hell. I shouldn't have jumped. I would have been fine if I didn't. Okay, run. Okay. God, I keep hitting that. God, that was a good one. That was a good rage. Holy. Ouchers. Oh, wrong way. I have no clue how I know hit that part. Adrenaline is going up quite nicely. Ah, that immediately got drained because of the lag spike. Man. If I try moving, I'm more screwed than if I don't, because the lag spike will just go on for much longer. Yochers! Heal. Get some licks in. Stab his toes with a gun. Do anything. Come on, bust some music time. Whoa, that's a bullet hell, that's laggy. If I could heal, that would be amazing. Thank you. It's only a little bit, but it's pretty good. Okay, we got a singular lick in. Almost under 1 million. Get that out of the way. Youchers! Okay, that's a nice heal. I don't even know how I've healed up. Oh my god, I jinxed it. I didn't even say it yet before I jinxed it. Okay, just run. Okay. Hit him with a hammer. I missed. Okay, hit him with a hammer. Hit him with a hammer. I forget he teleports. Get rid of that, because I don't want to deal with it later. Oh my god, how did I just dodge that? Okay, here we go. Oh my god, he just spawned inside me. I don't want bird day. I don't want bird day. Go away, go away. Don't want you inside me again. Get rid of that. Oh my god, heal. Don't want the burn damage. Youchers! You bitch! Oh, I'm most definitely gonna die. Yep, I'm dead. And I'm dead. God, I hate this part of the fight so much. Please don't die. Please don't. 40,000! New personal best. That sucks so much. I should have just switched to the hammer. I should have just balled. I should have just... Okay. Man. I'm not gonna be able to post this if it gets too long. I apologize, you don't get to see me beat it. Again.